we are getting ready for the mussels for our antipasto. You've got your finely chopped garlic, finely chopped parsley, which it's from my garden. Mussels go into the pot. We'll have to steam them, and you'll find that the mussels will open up, and once they do that, you'll be able to clean the bed out of them. You leave them in there for a few minutes, and every now and then make sure that you hold onto the lid and shake them so they evenly open up. Okay, now they only take a few minutes, and as you can see, they all opening up. Keep the water that comes out of the mussels, because we're going to use it after. Open the mussels up. Make sure you take the bed off, the bed that we showed you before. Sometimes it's a little bit hard. Here we go. Get a clean old hanky or piece of cloth that you don't use and filter the juice. It's very important. So, through the hanky, cut your lemons. We've got our chopped garlic here, our chopped parsley, and I should say the brine really of the mussels. Garlic, just a little bit and as much as you like. And there's a lot of people I know that don't like garlic. You don't have to use it. Now we have the parsley. We do the same thing. The extra virgin oil. Okay. Look, because it's from the bottle, don't be afraid. I like to put my finger so that to make sure that I don't put too much. This brine, you spoon it in the shell. A little bit like that. You've got your lemons. And of course, what's fish without a lemon? I love my lemon on the fish, doesn't matter what fish it is. And there's the dish, all done. Once I've got all the bread sliced, put it on a tray. And what I like to do before I put the ingredients on top, I like to drizzle it with my extra virgin oil. And you just drizzle it a little bit so that the oil gets into the bread. Okay, now I'm going to dress up the bruschetta. Cut up your tomatoes. Okay, now we're making the dressing for the bruschetta. You've got your tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Salt and pepper to taste. You've got your extra virgin oil. We add a little bit of garlic to your liking. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to put it in. And fresh dried oregano. Now, if you wish, instead of the oregano, you can use basil. And also, you can use red onion, diced. It's also very nice. But just with oregano, garlic, and the nice extra virgin oil. Give it a good mix. Here we go. And again, you can put as much as you like and as little as you like. And there you have your nice bruschetta with the mussels. Don't be afraid to use your fingers. You've got your bruschetta, you've got your mussels. Look, I left 2 or 3 slices of bread in which you can also dip the bread into that brine. The mussels brine, in which it's got lemon, oil, and it's very, very tasty. It's absolutely beautiful.
Celeste, that is amazing. And I guess the most important thing for our viewers to know at home that bread is inexpensive to make, although I know these are the hands of experience, but I guess the most important thing is that you can make batches of it and then freeze it.
Oh, yes.
And in the old days, I guess because Foggia was really going through the mountains, you weren't going there to buy bread every day, were you?
No.
So you'd make it and put it in the freezer?
I mean, well, in those days, there was no freezers. They used to make bread even twice a week.
Did they really?
You know,
but women didn't go out to work in those days, did they? So
no,
we working women cannot be home
and
making
even
bread.
though the bread gets sort of old style 2 or 3 days, there's a lot of ways that you can use this bread.
Yeah, anche fare la panzanella, you can make
tante.
And the wonderful thing, you've just sprinkled a bit of oil. Because it's a dense bread, it tends to absorb, and the freshness of the tomato.
When you eat it, it's tastier. So that the oil has...
I pomodori del giardino, vero?
Questi pochissimi sì.
Okay, and when we come back, the beautiful Celeste is going to give us her take on a lasagna.